Welcome to Blissful Garden, a place to share new and inspiring ways to care for plants. Today, I will introduce to you a very unique way to grow orchids. No need to water, but the flowers can still bloom brilliantly all year round. This is a creative, simple, and extremely useful solution for those who love orchids but are busy and do not have much time to care for them every day. Let's get started. It can be seen that this is a healthy orchid. However, due to mold invading the middle part of the stem, the leaves in this position are gradually becoming necrotic and dying. It can be seen that mold and bacteria have penetrated, causing the leaves to rot and soften. The most obvious sign is the appearance of white streaks on the surface. Quickly remove damaged leaves. If not treated promptly, the disease will spread very quickly and weaken the plant. Mold has eaten away the base of the leaf and needs to be removed. Use clean scissors to cut off completely to avoid spreading pathogens to the plant and roots. Need to cut off the mushroom part at the base. This will be an important place for the plant to continue to grow. After completing the pruning, I rinsed the entire orchid plant with clean water. This is an important step to thoroughly remove any remaining damaged roots, as well as wash away dirt and bacteria on the stem, leaves, and base of the plant, creating a clean environment for the plant to recover. After washing, place the plant in a cool place and let it dry naturally. I will use coffee grounds to provide nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, magnesium to help plants quickly grow new roots and develop. I use 500 milliliters of hot water to release maximum nutrients into a nutrient-rich liquid solution. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button to support me and so you don't miss any orchid care tips. It's great to have you along on this journey. To stir well to help release nutrients optimally. Cover tightly and incubate until the water cools, allowing the essences to dissolve completely, ready for the orchid treatment and care step. After 1 hour of cooling the water, the nutrients from the coffee grounds have been completely released into the water, creating a nutrient-rich solution ready for use. Filter carefully to collect the coffee grounds, the most nutritious solution for the orchid care and recovery process, and remove all residue. Use a small glass bottle of about 150 milliliters. Scoop enough water to clean and provide nutrients for the plant. Use a soft cotton pad to absorb the coffee grounds. Gently wipe the top of the orchid leaves to remove any remaining dirt and mold. At the same time, wipe the underside to open the stomata, increasing the ability to absorb nutrients. What country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment to let me know. It's great that we can connect and chat with each other from all over the world. Choose a vase that is the right size for the plant. Place the orchid inside. Pour water up to the base, covering the entire stem so that the plant can easily absorb nutrients. We will soak the plant for 30 minutes to help the plant absorb nutrients well. With the remaining nutrient solution, use a soft cotton pad to absorb the solution and clean the previously cut plant. Wiping leaves helps remove dirt and bacteria from the leaf surface, allows orchid leaves to breathe better and absorb light more efficiently. Wiping leaves helps enhance photosynthesis because clean leaves absorb light better and can convert energy more efficiently. Wiping leaves with coffee grounds water helps reduce the risk of mold and bacterial diseases because the clean leaf surface limits the environment for harmful pathogens to grow. Wipe the cut part thoroughly to remove any remaining mold, allowing new shoots to grow. Step 2. Spray the entire orchid with coffee grounds water to help wash away dirt and mold. Coffee grounds water also helps the soil become loose, airy, and retain moisture better, creating an ideal environment for orchid roots to grow. Nutrients in coffee grounds promote flowering, helping flowers bloom larger and more brightly. Step 3. Water your orchids with this liquid fertilizer solution from coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are a natural source of nutrients rich in nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, and many essential minerals, contributing to promoting healthy and sustainable growth for orchids. After 30 minutes of soaking, take the orchid out. This is the optimal time for the root system to fully absorb the necessary nutrients from the recovery solution. I will use garlic as a natural antibacterial agent, which helps disinfect and protect orchid cuts from fungal and bacterial invasion. Use the tip of a knife to gently scrape the core of the garlic to extract the essence, creating a garlic solution. Use garlic essential oil applied directly to moldy cuts to effectively fight fungus and bacteria and stimulate the growth of new roots for orchids. After processing the young plant, do not rush to throw away the garlic cloves. I continue to apply garlic essential oil to the cut of the large plant. Next, I use cinnamon powder to treat directly on the cut, thanks to its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping the wound heal quickly and protecting the orchid from the risk of infection. After applying the powder, we will let the tree heal for 1 day before planting. I choose a pot of suitable size, line the bottom with a piece of foam cut to fit, creating a stable moisture-retaining environment. Then, place the seedling in the center so that the roots can easily absorb moisture and grow healthily. To help orchids grow without spending too much time on care, just add a small amount of clean water. Pour the amount of water adjusted just enough, equivalent to half the height of the sponge. This water source will help the plant absorb the necessary moisture, creating favorable conditions for the growth process. Choose a pot the size of the pot to use as a pot holder, and make sure the bottom of the pot has small holes to increase air circulation and create a well-ventilated environment for the roots to grow. After completing the planting, we have created a method of growing orchids in a mini greenhouse. This method not only helps the plants grow stably but also significantly reduces the time and effort of care. After 5 weeks, the orchid has started to develop new roots, a clear sign that the recovery and growth process is going well. Proving the effectiveness of mini greenhouse growing method and coffee grounds nutrient water providing nutrition for plants. Thus, our orchid has developed a strong root system, while the leaves become clean, green, shiny and sturdy, reflecting the abundant vitality of the plant. When orchids are infected with mold, growers need to stay calm, handle the problem properly, and take care of it persistently. Just follow the right process and you will quickly restore a healthy green orchid garden in your garden. Not only the small trees are growing, we can see that the big trees have also grown new flower branches. The mold that has invaded the leaves has also healed and dried up. The new roots are growing very well, showing the strong vitality of the tree. The roots are green and dark in color, proving that the tree is absorbing nutrients effectively and growing healthily. When the seedlings have grown strong enough, we will move them to a pot with lots of ventilation holes to limit water stagnation. The substrate used is treated pine bark. Choose large bark to line the bottom to increase ventilation and support stable root development. Before planting, to limit scratches and protect the roots, we will put a thin layer of moss at the bottom of the pot, then gently place the plant and all the roots on top. Then add a layer of medium to small-sized pine bark around the base of the tree to keep it stable. Use your hands to gently tap around the edge of the pot so that the pine bark substrate is evenly filled into the gaps. Finally, cover the surface of the substrate with a layer of moss to retain natural moisture, support the recovery process and limit drying due to dehydration. The fibrous structure of moss helps orchid roots easily attach and absorb water and fertilizer. After planting, we will take care of and provide additional nutrients for the orchid. Next, I will mix nutrients from coffee grounds and water directly onto the roots to add essential nutrients to the orchid. When caring for plants with nutrients, you should periodically water them every 2 weeks, combined with other suitable fertilizers to promote the comprehensive and sustainable growth of orchids. On normal days, when the plant shows signs of water shortage, you can use a spray bottle to lightly water to maintain humidity, helping the leaves and roots stay healthy, creating optimal conditions for growth. Once finished, I will take the orchid pot out into the garden, place it in a place with gentle sunlight and fresh air, creating favorable conditions for the plant to grow healthily. I hope this video will help you take better care of your orchids at home. If you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming simple and natural orchid care tips. If you encounter any difficulties in the process of growing orchids, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I'm always ready to support, so that you can grow healthy orchids that bloom brilliantly. Thank you for watching. I wish you all luck, happiness, good health and success in your garden care journey. I look forward to seeing you in the next videos.